The Hoover Dam, located on the border of Arizona and Nevada, near Las Vegas, is one of the best-known hydroelectric power plants in the world. The dam impounds the water of the Colorado River and converts the energy of the water flow into electric current. The dam was built between 1931 and 1936. It was dedicated by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt in 1935 before it was fully finished. The dam is over 220 meters high and nearly 380 meters wide. The thickness at its base is 200 meters and 14 meters at the ridge. There were 112 deaths associated with the construction of the dam. Before reaching the turbines, water from Lake Mead enters the intake towers and flows through gradually narrowing penstocks at a speed of 140 kilometers per hour. The rotation of the turbines is converted into electric current by generators. Originally, 8 turbines were planned on both shores of the river, but in the end, one of the turbines was replaced by 2 smaller ones. Later, 2 more were added, so there are currently 19 turbines in operation in the dam. The power station has a power rating of about 2,000 megawatts. Besides producing electricity, the dam also plays an important role in the regulation of river flow and water storage.